Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we dive into the breathtaking world of Italian performance with the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast. This isn't just a car, it's an engineering masterpiece that blends raw power, stunning design, and unmatched driving dynamics, all wrapped in a badge that symbolizes prestige and passion. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast continues Ferrari's tradition of front-engine V12 Grand Tourers. Under the long, sculpted hood sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that delivers an exhilarating 819 horsepower at a spine-tingling 8,500 revolutions per minute and 718 Nm of torque. This immense power allows the 812 Superfast to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of over 340 km per hour. It's not just fast, it's blisteringly quick, living up to its Superfast name. Ferrari's engineers have kept the engine naturally aspirated, which is rare in today's turbocharged world. This decision ensures a more direct throttle response, an authentic sound experience, and a higher redline, all crucial for the purest driving thrill. Every press of the accelerator unleashes a symphony of mechanical music that resonates through the cabin and out into the open air, giving the driver a sensation that's both emotional and visceral. The 812 Superfast uses a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast gear shifts. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or enjoying long highway stretches, the gearbox adapts flawlessly, making each drive incredibly satisfying. Ferrari's F1-derived technology makes a notable presence here, optimizing performance at every corner. Visually, the 2025 812 Superfast is a masterpiece. Its sleek silhouette, sharp lines, and aggressive aerodynamics make a bold statement even when standing still. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, with LED headlights seamlessly integrated into the sculpted hood. Air intakes and vents are not only functional but also enhance the car's dramatic appearance. At the rear, the quad taillights and dual exhaust scream Ferrari tradition, while the rear diffuser and active aero components improve downforce and stability. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that perfectly balances luxury and sportiness. The cabin is crafted using the finest materials, including premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents. The driver-focused layout features a digital instrument cluster, race-inspired steering wheel with integrated controls, and minimal distractions. It's a space designed for those who live to drive. Even though the 812 Superfast is a grand tourer, Ferrari hasn't compromised on comfort. The seats are supportive and adjustable, and there's enough room for a weekend getaway with a small luggage area behind the seats. Technology in the 812 Superfast is cutting-edge yet driver-centric. There's no massive infotainment screen dominating the dashboard. Instead, Ferrari keeps the focus on driving. A digital display provides navigation, performance data, and connectivity features like Apple CarPlay. Everything is streamlined to minimize distraction and enhance the emotional bond between car and driver. Driving dynamics are where the 812 Superfast truly shines. Ferrari's advanced virtual short wheelbase 2.0 system, which combines rear-wheel steering with electronic stability controls, offers razor-sharp handling. It feels nimble like a mid-engined sports car, yet remains planted like a true grand tourer. Magnetic suspension adapts instantly to road conditions, offering comfort on long trips and stiffness during aggressive driving. The chassis is perfectly balanced, and thanks to the 50/50 weight distribution, every corner is an opportunity to feel the road in its purest form. Safety and driver assistance features are present, but not overwhelming. The 812 is more about driver involvement than autonomy. However, it still comes equipped with traction control, electronic stability control, and high-performance brakes to ensure a secure driving experience even at high speeds. In 2025, Ferrari has made slight refinements to the 812, improving aerodynamics, fine-tuning the suspension, and offering new color options and wheel designs. While it may not be a complete redesign, these updates keep the model fresh and aligned with modern standards without losing its identity. The Ferrari 812 Superfast isn't just about performance, it's about heritage. It represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's front-engine V12 lineage, going back to icons like the Daytona and 599 GTB. With stricter emissions regulations pushing many automakers toward smaller, turbocharged engines or hybrids, the 812 Superfast might be one of the last pure V12 experiences from Maranello. It's a celebration of internal combustion, a final salute to the traditional Ferrari driving spirit. Whether you're a collector, a performance enthusiast, or someone who appreciates fine automotive craftsmanship, the 812 Superfast delivers an experience few cars can match. It's powerful, elegant, loud, and alive. The kind of car that makes your heart race even before you turn the key. So that's a close look at the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast, a car that continues to set the benchmark for what a front-engined supercar should be. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocars Land for more updates on the world's most exciting cars. I'll see you in the next video.